Angeles and Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Ashland County, Holmes County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Knox County until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Nashville, or 13 miles west
Tornado
of
possible.
Pittsburgh, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles
Ah,
per hour
shoot.
wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Millersburg, Berlin, Walnut Creek, Loudonville, Kilbuck, Holmesville, Glenmont, Nashville, Winesburg, Farmerstown, Baltic, Gans, Mount Hope, and Charm. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Holmes, and Knox.